Hey mate, do you mind showing these guys real quick how to change fonts in Canva? Like this here. Bam, 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 bam.
Sure buddy, I will do this with big pleasure, so let's jump on in. First of all, I'm going to add some text to our canvas right here. In case you didn't know, you can easily do that by pressing T on your keyboard. Now to see what font our text is actually using, all we need to do is to left click on the text, and then in the toolbar above, on the very left side you can actually see the font. So the font we're currently using is called Canva Sans. And as you might have guessed it by now, Canva Sans is actually the default font on Canva. Now in order for us to change it to something else, all we need to do is to click on it, and below we will then get a list with all sorts of fonts. And to change the font now, simply browse through that list. And once you found a font that you like, simply click on it and your text will then have this new font. Now, if you would like to get some recommendations for fonts and font combinations, a cool thing that you can do in Canva is to click on text here in the left sidebar, and when you scroll down a bit here, you will find font combinations. There you will actually find some really cool looking headings, as well as awesome font combinations. To use one of these, simply click on it, and they will then be added to your canvas. All of these are obviously completely editable, so for example, if you would like to adjust the text, simply double click on it and adjust. Now last but not least, in Canva you can also use custom fonts. These can be fonts, for example, that you downloaded from the internet. With that said, if you would like to know how to import and use custom fonts on Canva, then make sure to watch the next video on this channel.